Good day, viewers. Good day, my students. We are now in uh, we are now in our session crash course in TOFAS. Crash course means review of the previous topic, review in a short period of time ng mga past topics natin. So, again, TOFAS stands for Test of Fundamental Academic Skills. And this is crash course because you're going to review the topics, yung previous topics natin when we were in grade 6 or grade 7, no? Uh, Hindi siya course na kasi yung course mahabang panahon, no? Yung crash course, itatake lang natin siya sa maiksing panahon. Ayan, kasi uh, yung course na to or yung topics na to is previously pa siya dapat. Ayan. So we will just have a short review, no, or recap, no, ng mga past topics natin sa ating classroom. No? So last time we have the addition and subtraction of integers. By the way, this video is intended for intervention edition, hindi siya classroom edition, no? Hindi siya discussion edition. And so intervention edition siya kasi our focus is a kind of intervention. Okay. So we have our first topic, addition and subtraction of integers. If you remember the 5 topics na pinakita ko sa results nyo sa inyong printed topas last time, we have the first one, positive and negative numbers. The second one, algebraic equation. The third one is equation. The fourth one is equation calculation. The fifth one is systems of linear equations or alike. So we're going to have the first topic, addition and subtraction of integers. So as I was saying sa classroom, we need to get a perfect score dun sa 5 worksheets para masabing natutunan natin yung topic. Pero kung hindi ka makakuha ng 5 perfect worksheet doon, nag-a-add tayo ng pang-6, pang-7 hanggang sa makakolect kayo ng 5. So meaning to say, it is very serious na kailangan natin i-comply kasi those skills will be using doon sa next school year natin when you reach grade 9. So integers, as a review, is integers, we have 2 kinds of integers. Integers are signed numbers and wala tayong fraction or decimal na integers. Lahat sila ay signed na whole number. So let's say positive 1, negative 1, positive 2, negative 2, positive 3, negative 3, and so on. So we have 2 kinds of integers. We have the positive numbers and the negative numbers. So positive numbers are the numbers na the numbers na greater than 0, and negative numbers are the numbers na less than 0. So I also discussed the number line, yung tamang arrangement ng mga numbers, mga integers natin sa number line. Saan dapat si negative? Si negative is nasa left side ng 0. And si positive numbers or integers ay nasa right side ng 0. Okay. So review tayo kasi baka nakalimutan nyo na naman. And so let's say we have positive 6 plus positive 4. And so there were instances sa TOPAS, wala siyang plus. Paano kung wala siyang plus? Let's say for example 6 plus 4. So this is considered as positive. Pag walang plus sign, positive. Pero si negative, kailangan meron siyang negative sign. So how are we going to add this one? Positive 6 plus positive 4. So if we have a number line, let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is positive 6. And we jump 4 units going to right. Kasi lahat ng natin sa right, lahat ng positive sa right, lahat ng negative sa left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7, 8, 9, and 10. So our answer is positive 10. And we have negative 6 plus negative 4. That would be, so we're going to draw a number line. So this would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So negative 6. So since we have negative 4, negative 4, so you jump 4 units ng negative 6 from negative 6 sa left. So 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oops. And so negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, and negative 10. So, wait lang. Ayusin ko lang. And so negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, and negative 10. Okay. So our answer here is negative 10. Okay. Now, syempre pag lumalaki yung value, pag lumalaki na yung ina-add natin, mahirap na i-drawing yung number line. Halimbawa, 20 yung given, no? So, magdodrawing ka ba ng pagkahaba-habang number line for that? So, merong rule yan. And, so, let's say, for example, negative 20 added by negative 60. So, what would be the answer? So, the answer is negative 80. So, if I have positive 120 added by positive 67, so that is positive 187. So, what will be the rule for same sign? So, if we have same sign, for same signs, just add the integers and copy the sign and copy the sign. Okay. So, as simple as that, no? And sige, so the second one, number 5. What if we have different signs? Say, for example, negative 6 plus negative 4, positive 4 na lang, and equals. So, if we have negative 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6. So, from negative 6, we add 4 units going to right. Negative 4, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. So, negative 2. So, our answer is negative 2. On the other hand, if we have positive 6 plus negative 4, that would be how many? So, if we draw a number line, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, positive 6. So, 4 steps to the left. No? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, negative 4. So, saan tayo nahinto? So, we have positive 2. Now, if we're dealing with the big numbers, say number 7, no? Negative 20 added by positive 60. How are we going to deal on that? What would be the answer? The answer is negative 40. Yeah. So how are we going to do that? We subtract the numbers. So if you're going to imagine the number line, negative 20, babalik ka ng 60 units to the right. No? Negative 20, babalik ka. So, positive 40 pala, sorry. It's positive 40. And okay, correction, it's positive 40. And so, from negative 20, babalik ka 60 units to the right. So, tatapak ka ng positive 40. So, kung magdodrawing ka ng number line na pagkahaba-haba, mauubos yung time mo. So, what are we going to do? We can just simply subtract 60 minus 20. So, you have 40. Now, you're going to follow the sign nung integers na mas malayo sa 0. Mas malayo sa 0. Okay. Okay. So that's 40. Positive 40. And, so positive 40. So you copy the sign. No? Let's say this one, negative 80 added by positive 50. So what's the answer? This would be negative 30. So what are you going to do? You have 80 minus 50. You have 30. So follow the sign. You follow the sign nung pinakamalayo sa 0. So what will be the rule? So same sign, different sign. Nasa same sign pa rin ako. Hindi ako maka-move on sa same sign. Different signs, different signs, subtract the integers. Subtract the integers and copy the sign of the integer with with higher absolute value. Higher absolute value. Higher absolute value. Okay, recall natin, no, what is absolute value? Absolute, hindi yan tubig, ha? Absolute. Kasi natin absolute value, that is distance of a number from 0. Ayan. Number from 0. Okay. So, kung gaano kalayo yung isang number sa 0, yun ang absolute value. So, pag magkaiba ang sign, dalawa gagawin. Subtract. Tapos, tingnan nyo yung pinakamalayo sa 0. Siya yung sign na gagayahin natin. Paano po kung parehas ng layo sa 0? Ito, common mistakes yung iba to eh. What number are we now? Ayan, let's say negative 4, no, plus positive 4. So if you have a number line, so 0, negative 4, no? So you're going back 4 units to the 3. Ay, kulang pala. Wait lang, kulang yung drawing ko. This one. So you're going back 4 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive 4, no? So, fall siya sa 0. So, isang reason bakit siya 0, dahil parehas naman sila ng distance from 0. Parehas ng layo sa 0. Walang masusunod sa kanila. Yan, walang masusunod na sign sa kanila. 0. Okay. Kasi parehas ng distance from 0. So, kahit sabihin natin negative 20 plus positive 20. Okay. So, that's also 0. Negative 50 plus positive 50. That's also 0. Positive 60 plus negative 60. That's also 0. Okay. Yan. Let's have the other one pa. Ano pa yung nakakalito sa mga students na napansin ko? Negative 9 added by 0. So what is negative 9 added by 0? So si 0 wala siyang sign. Hindi siya positive. Hindi siya. Wala siyang sign. Ayan. Okay. So kung negative 9 yan, it means start ka sa negative 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Negative 9. 2, 4, 6, 8. Negative 9. So it's just negative 9. No movement. Wala tayong movement. No? So this is just negative 9. Pero, if we're going to represent 0 plus negative 9, 0. So let's say this is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Negative 9. So we start from 0. We move 9 units to the right. So 1 to the left. 9 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the answer is also negative 9. And okay, so those are the simple concepts na kailangan linawin sa mga students natin. A crash course in TOFAS. Now, maybe I can give some small seat works. You may want try to answer. Now, as you watch this video, uh, you can you can answer the seat work and present this or pass this on Monday, no? Malay mo, bawasan natin yung worksheet mo, di ba? Pag nanood ka nito. Okay. Sige. Uh-huh. Number 1, addition muna tayo. Add the following integers muna. Add the following integers. Okay. So, negative 6 plus positive 10. Negative 2 plus positive 3. Bigay tayo ng malaki kasi review naman eh. Positive 4 is negative 80. Positive 100 plus negative 150. Positive 200 plus negative 67. Yan natin. Same signs naman tayo. Plus positive 4 negative 20, 201 plus negative 49. Negative 301 plus negative 201. Positive 4, sorry, positive 408 plus positive 22. And number 10, negative 325 plus positive 67. Okay. Yan. Okay, so I'll give you some time to answer this one. Maybe after 5 minutes, we're going to move on subtraction. So while you were answering, bakit sa worksheets po sa TOFAS is magkahalo ang addition and subtraction, pero sa aking session, inihiwalay ko siya. Kasi pagka pag pinagsama mo siya kaagad, possibly malito yung bata. Actually nung pinagsama ko siya, nalito na nga sila eh. Napaghalo-halo nila yung rule. So, there's a need na extend yung kanilang study sa bahay nila. But this video naman is not compulsory. Kung meron lang silang kakayahan, meron silang strong data connection, kung meron silang stable na wifi or di ba? So, hindi naman compulsory sa kanilang manood nito. Pero kung sa classroom, nahihirapan na, ibig sabihin, there's a need na i-extend yung study nila sa bahay or mag-set ng hours before sa school. Pero syempre, hindi lang naman math ang subject ng mga students. Meron din silang ibang remediation, meron din silang reading. So, yun. So, tamang schedule lang yung kailangan. Anyway, for me, ang technique ko kasi, I decide na addition muna, tapos seat work, tapos subtraction, and then seat work. Tsaka ko palang binibigay ang worksheet ng TOFAS. Kasi gusto ko na ma-distinguish nila ano yung addition at ano yung subtraction, ano yung rule. So, doon pa nga lang sa pinaghiwalay mo na yung lesson, nalito na. Paano kung from the beginning, pinagsama mo na, di ba? So, meron pa rin malilitong student. Kaya lang, ang kailangan, ang kulang kasi is exposure. Kulang sila ng exposure doon. Okay, so hindi ko muna ibibigay yung sagot nito kasi since pag na-upload ko ito, pwedeng balik-balikan ng student, baka kopyahin na lang yung sagot. So, kung gusto niyo na ma-checkan ko 'to, ipasa niyo 'to sa Monday o 'pag nagkita tayo, 'di ba? Okay, next. Next slide. Oops, wala ng slide. Mag-add tayo ng slide for the meantime and, uh, new slide. Okay. So, and now let's have subtraction. Let's proceed on subtraction of integers. And okay, so let's have subtraction of integers. Okay. So let's say we have negative 8, no, minus negative 2. So we have rules to follow and subtraction of integer. The first rule, keep the mean when. Keep the mean when. And the second rule is change the sign. Change the sign of subtrahend. And the next rule is proceed to addition. Proceed to addition. Okay, so these are the three rules in subtraction of integers. But in our class, we have acronym for this. We have our own acronym. So we have the acronym. Let me write here. KFC. So hindi siya fast food chain. That is K stands for keep. Keep. So negative 8. And F stands for flip. FLIP. Yung minus, gagawin namin plus. And C stands for change the subtrahend. If that is negative 2, that would be positive 2. And so 8 plus positive 2. Negative 8 plus positive 2. So afterwards, the after you change the subtrahend, after nyong i-rewrite ang subtraction sentence into addition sentence, you can now proceed. No? So negative 8 plus positive 2. So we apply the rules now in addition because the sentence is now in addition. So that is negative 6. And so second, positive 8 minus positive 2. So using KFC, keep the mean when positive 8, flip, yung minus gagawin plus, change, that would be negative 2. So from positive 2, you make it negative 2, that would be positive 6. And so yan yung sinusunod namin na acronym here. So merong steps na sinusundan yung bata, mabilis lang. So KFC, they know what is KFC, keep, flip, and change. So let's say different signs naman tayo, no? Negative 10 minus positive 20. So using KFC, keep the mean when, flip the operation, and change the subtrahend. That would be negative 10 plus negative 20. That would be negative 30. Yan. So, KFC. Okay. Hindi tayo sponsor ng KFC. Hindi ko pinopromote ang KFC. Yan lang yung acronym namin, may subtraction. Okay. Lakihan natin yung number. Negative 35 minus positive 65. So, keep, flip, change the subtrahend. Huwag kalimutang palitan. So that would be negative 100. Lakihan pa natin. Positive 15 minus negative 21. So keep the minuend, flip the operation, change the subtrahend. So that is positive 71. Number 6, negative 205 minus positive 308. So keep the minuend, flip the operation, and change the sign of subtrahend. So that is now negative 500. Okay, so that's negative 500. Okay, so nadagdagan lang ng one step mo. Sa subtraction, kailangan niyang ma-transform into addition sentence. No? Kailangan niyang maging addition through KFC. No? Keep the minuend, flip the operation, and change the subtrahend. And then proceed to addition rules. So, nadagdagan lang tayo ng isang rule. Okay, so for your practice, subtraction muna tayo lahat. So, sa TOFAS, magkasama siya. So, just like na-experience ko nung Friday, alin po yung gagamitan ng KFC? Nagtatanong na yung mga bata. Kasi nga, napaghalo na namin yung, kasi meron na, alam na nila yung rules sa addition, alam na nila yung rules sa subtraction. So, alin po yung gagamitan ng KFC? Yan. So, i-emphasize ko po na ang KFC lang ay ginagamit kapag ang given ay subtraction. Kapag ang given natin ay subtraction. Yan natin dito. Yan. Yan. So, pag may parenthesis, ibig sabihin, inihihiwalay yung negative sign sa minus. Ayan pala, ito pala yung nakalimutan kong ano. Kasi ang minus sign at saka negative sign pareho, no? So, baka lumabas kasi sa question na bakit po may parenthesis. So, ibig sabihin, hinihiwalay lang niya yung, ano, yung subtrahend. Ayan. 25 minus negative 36. So maybe I will give 6 items. So, yeah. Bakit plus? Minus siya dapat. Okay. Okay, so while I'm writing this one, you can answer now. So, I suggest, habang sinasagutan niyo siya, i-transform niyo muna siya lahat sa addition sentence bago niyo sagutan, no? Mas maganda kasi nakikita niyo yung written na transformation niya sa addition, tsaka niyo sagutan. Pero kung sanay na kayo na i-transform, pwede namang diretso. Yan. Pero mas maganda kasi sinusulat niyo siya para ano, para mas natatandaan mo. Yan. Okay, so I give you time to answer. So if you already copy the given, no, I give you time to answer this one. So you can so meron na tayong 20 items no na exercises. Ayan. Tapos siguro when we meet sa classroom, mas ano na kayo, mas familiar na kayo sa ano natin sa addition tsaka subtraction. And hopefully by Monday hindi niyo na napaghahalo kasi pag napaghahalo niyo pa rin, no, kailangan niyo pa rin mag-practice. Okay, so this will be the end of our session. Siguro maiksi lang, wala pa tayong 1 hour. Kasi nga crash course lang siya eh. Then nare-review na rin natin siya sa classroom. So this is just an extension natin. So hindi, kung hindi enough yung 1 hour para ma-master mo to, mag-extend ka kahit 1 hour lang, no, bago ka maglaro. Okay, so if you have questions, if you have comments about this one, kindly type it in the comment section. Thank you, viewers. Bye.